अस्सलामुअलैकुम टू ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स। कैसे हैं आप सब? ठीक ठाक हैं। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक जो है CS609 यानी कि फ़ाइनल टर्म एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन फ़ाइल है। और इसका सिलेबस जो है हमारे पास CS609 का वीक्स 7 से लेकर 16 तक है। ठीक है, यानी टॉपिक्स 70 से लेकर 190 तक जो है इसमें शामिल हैं। 70 से लेकर 190 तक CS609 में। ठीक है, तो ये हमारे पास जो है इसका एंड्स आउट है। यहाँ से जो है हमारे पास आगे फाइनल टर्म में आएगा। ठीक है, इससे मैंने पहले जो है वीडियो भी बना चुका हूँ। यहाँ पे ये पूरी प्लेलिस्ट मैंने जो है बना दी है, यानी वीक 7 8 सारी मैंने प्लेलिस्ट जो है बना दी है। अगर ये आपने नहीं देखी तो ये लाजमी आप देख सकते हैं। तो अभी हम चलते हैं अपनी फ़ाइल पे और यहाँ से जो है हम देखते हैं पेपर पैटर्न। यहाँ पे हमारे MCQs होंगे 33 मार्क्स के। ठीक है, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन होंगे 4, 3 नंबर का एक है, 4 3 12। ठीक है, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन में 3 होंगे, 5 नंबर का एक होगा तो कितने हो गए 15। ठीक है, हमारे पास टोटल मार्क्स यहाँ पे हो गए 60 और पासिंग मार्क्स इन 20% यानी अगर ले लें तो उस पर समझो पास हो सकते हैं। 12 नंबर लिए तो पास हो गए। ठीक है, उसके बाद आगे टाइम कितना होगा 90 मिनट्स। तो ये आप देख सकते हैं, ये सारा जो है पेपर पैटर्न का पार्ट है। ठीक है, तो अब हम चलते हैं इसके MCQs पे। फर्स्ट हमारे पास MCQ है दी प्रोसेस ऑब्टेन्स एनवायरनमेंट एंड अदर इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम डैश कॉल तो क्रिएट प्रोसेस कॉल। ठीक है, C++ exception handling is implemented using -sch to start the mapping from the start of a file. Set both DW file offset high and DW5 set low as dash, तो क्या आ जाएगा 0। In the vectored exception handler, the value of a first handler parameter specifies the dash in which the handler will execute the order। ठीक है, console control handlers are similar to dash exception handlers। नेक्स्ट आ जाता है व्हाट इज़ द रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर अ सोर्स हैंडल टू बी यूज्ड विद डुप्लीकेट हैंडल सक्सेसफुली। इट शुड हैव प्रोसेस ड्यूप हैंडल एक्सेस। सेंस वाला इफ द सिस्टम इज अ डैश देन विंडोज कैजुअल कैन रन प्रोसेस थ्रेड्स ऑन सेपरेट प्रोसेसर्स। यहाँ पे आ जाएगा मल्टी प्रोसेसर। एन इन्वायरमेंट ब्लॉक इज एसोसिएटेड विद डैश प्रोसेस ईच प्रोसेस। ठीक है, a file mapping handle returns dash on failure, null on failure। टेंथ वाला the wait function is limited to dash handles 64 handles। 11th वाला total number of files inputted can be get with dash argc1। ठीक है, 12th वाला what function is used to set control limits on the processes in a job object, set information job object। G13 वाला हमारे पास फाइबर मैनेजमेंट होगा सेट डैश लेवल कर्नल लेवल। मेक अ वेरिएबल डैश इफ़ यू नो इट इंक्लूड्स थ्रेड स्पेसिफिक इन्फॉर्मेशन, तो क्या होगा लोकल। टर्मिनेटिंग द डैश प्रोसेसेस कैन बी प्रॉब्लमेटिक एज द टर्मिनेटिंग प्रोसेस डज नॉट गेट अ चांस टू रिलीज रिसोर्सेज एन अदर। In job management, the shell uses dash specific file keeping track of process ID and other related information user। Windows treats threads as dash objects। In getting a job number, the job management shell uses a number of job management functions to manage jobs information within the dash file shell file, which Windows threading functions are used for creating and exiting threads respectively in the absence of C library threading functions to create thread and exit thread। 20 वाला while using memory mapped IO there is dash to manage buffers for repetitive operation on a file, no need। Which of the following controls the paging file virtual memory management system? While using memory mapped IO page file space is dash for file operations not needed। While using create file mapping dash allow the mapping object to be secured LP security attributes। 21st वाला which of the following are the number of parameters taken by create file mapping, तो कितने 6। While using create file mapping dash refers to the paging file invalid handle value। Unmapped view of file takes dash argument 1 argument। Which of the following are the number of parameters taken by map view of file 5। Dash and dash specify the starting address of the file from where the mapping starts, DW5 offset high or DW of file offset low। It is much dash to sort large data available in memory rather than in files, तो क्या होता है easier। To create a file mapping object we have to declare dash maximum parameter 6 maximum parameter। It is not possible for a system to map a file greater than dash into virtual memory space while using Win32 OS to 3 GB। 32 वाला performance of memory mapping is excellent while using the dash programs multi-threaded। The generic syntax for declaring based pointers in Windows is dash type base declarator. What is the term used in Unix for the concept of shared libraries similar to DLLs in Windows? Shared libraries. What benefit do DLLs offer in terms of shared libraries? Only a single copy of the DLL is loaded into memory. DLL से क्या मतलब है? Dynamic Link Library. In Dash operating system, DLLs are used to invoke all kernel services Windows. Each DLL program will have its own copy of dash variables, global variable. In DLLs, the executable library files are linked at dash time, compile time. We write and dash functions in DLL and invoke them explicitly. Encapsulate. Explicit linking requires the program to explicitly specify the DLL to be dashed, loaded, or freed. Load library X can express the execution of entry point in dash linking of DLL explicit. The entry point in DLL defined structure default has dash values, 4 values. Information regarding DLLs is placed in the dash data structure DLL variant. The process of DLL detachment in explicit linking is invoked by dash function called free library. Applications that require newer updated functionality may sometimes link with older DLL variant. This statement refers to dash of DLL varianting problem. The processes can share memory and files, but the process itself lie in an individual dash memory space virtual. Thread local storage TLS is an array of collection of pointers enabling a thread to dash storage to create its unique data environment. Allocate. Dash is the turn type of create process API bool. What is the purpose of the create process API? To create a new process and execute a specified program. Which of the following parameter in the create process API specifies whether the process handle is inheritable or not? So B, inherit handles. Process IDs are always unique. In Windows, there are dash ways to get command line parameters for a process to IP application name handles value dash be null should not. IPC से बनता है इंटर प्रोसेस कम्युनिकेशन. The dash flag is set to dash in create process function which will determine where child process will inherit copies of parent open handles. तो B, inherit handles और next में आएगा true. Dash is the return type of get current process API to handle. Next है the create process API returns the process information in its dash last parameter. Closing the child process only closes the access of the dash parent process. Dash is the return type of duplicate handle API bool. Primary purpose of duplicate handle यानी कि duplicating handles with specific access and inheritability. The dash function is used to obtain the process handle using the process ID to open process. Dash is the return type of exit process API void. How can another process determine the exit code of a terminated process? Using get exit code process. One process can finish another process using the function dash terminate process. The array of handles for which the process waits is activated by dash IP handle. The timeout period of for wait function is measured in dash milliseconds. The simplest form of synchronization can be achieved through dash construct wait. In environment block EB, each string is dash null terminated. In environment block, IP name is a dash name variable name. In environment block, path is an example of an environment dash string. If the system is dash time is multiplexed among multiple processes in an interleaved manner, uniprocessor system. How do the processes and their primary threads typically run in a multi-process program concurrently? What is the benefit of running process threads concurrently on multiprocessor computers in terms of performance, automatic performance improvement? What is the file time type used for in this context? Performing subtraction of time values. Which arithmetic operation is used to calculate elapsed time from creation and exit times? So subtraction. Which of the following is the return type of get process time API? तो bool. What is the issue with terminating a process? Terminated process cannot clean up. ठीक है. How can one process send a console control signal to another process via console control events? Which create process flag value identifies a new process group? Create new process group. What is the purpose of the jobs command in Unix shells? List currently active jobs with their job numbers and process IDs. Simple job management shell will allow dash commands to run 3. What does the job bg command do in Unix shells? It executes a new process in the background. What is the purpose of the get job number function in the job shell program? To find a vacant place in the file and append a new record if none is available. What is the primary function of a display jobs function in a job management? To acquire the status of processes in the file. In finding a process ID, the find process ID obtains the process ID of the given job number. It simply looks up into the file based on the job number and dash the record at the specific location reads. Which of the following function API obtains the process ID of given job number? Find process ID. Dash is the return type of find process ID dworld. Dash is the return type of a set information job object to bool. Which of the following can be used to specify limits on the number of active processes working? Set limits and priority job object information class. How do you create an empty job object in Windows using the create job object function? To by providing a job object name. How do threads contribute to reducing system overhead? They enable concurrent processing within a single process. Dash is an independent unit of execution within a process. तो thread ठीक है. What is the disadvantage of concurrent single threaded processes? Difficulty in sharing resources like open files. Threads share resources within a dash process. What are the potential benefits of using threads in program design and implementation? Improve performance, simplicity, and maintainability. How can a calling process pass an argument to a thread at creation time via a pointer placed on the thread stack? What is the primary role of the stack for each thread in a multi-threaded process? Storing function calls and other processing information. In a multi-threaded process, what is a key challenge that a programmer must address when dealing with shared data, preventing threads from accessing data assigned to other threads? What does the IP thread parameter represent in the create thread function? The thread argument interpreted by the thread and its parent. What is the purpose of the IP start adder parameter in the create thread function? It points to the thread function to be executed. Threads can also be treated as parent and child, although the dash is unaware of that operating system. How can a thread exit in a Windows process? By explicitly calling exit thread. What value does the IP exit code parameter of the get exit code thread function contain? If the thread is still running, the value is still active. How can you deallocate the resources of a terminated thread? By using close handle to close all handles to the thread. Which function returns a non-inheritable pseudo handle to the calling thread in Windows? Get current thread. What does get current thread ID return in Windows programming? A thread ID. Which function was mentioned to be useful in the job shell and can be used in a similar fashion to open process for creating a thread handle? Open thread. Resume thread function will dash decrease the value of suspend count. ठीक है. By default, the value of suspend count when creating a thread is 0. Which of the following variant of Windows was not compatible with the get process ID of a thread function to Windows XP? What is the purpose of using the wait function with the thread handle in Windows? To check if a thread has completed its execution. A thread can be signaled from which of the following function? Exit thread. What is the limit for the object to be waited for? Wait for multiple objects function in Windows 64. C library threading functions are dash then Windows library functions but not dash. तो फर्स्ट में आ जाएगा सिंपलर, नेक्स्ट में आ जाएगा डाइवर्स. The return type of a being thread x function dash is not handle. We need to typecast it for further processing. Dash library functions are thread safe then dash library function. C library function are thread safe then Windows library functions. In asynchronous input output dash song can be played with other operations being executed same time. First two parameters in argc will be dash and dash process name and pattern which is to be searched. ठीक है। बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन बॉस वर्कर थ्रेड मॉडल एंड क्लाइंट सर्वर मॉडल। तो क्लाइंट सर्वर ऑल दी थ्रेड आर रन एट दी सर्वर एंड, और बॉस वर्कर मॉडल ईच वर्कर रन्स डिफरेंट थ्रेड, ठीक है। In client server model rather than dash sequentially, work is done concurrently. In which of the following models work moves from one thread to the next thread? Pipeline model. What is the optimal condition for the number of threads in the provided program code to achieve accuracy? A number of threads divisible by the number of records. What is the main concept behind achieving optimal performance in a multi-processing system using multi-threading, dividing the process into similar tasks? Which of the following statement is incorrect? Program performance can be scaled without any certain limit. ये गलत है. Which of the following is a correct statement? After certain limit, processor speed cannot be enhanced. The proper organization and coordination of threads execution from the same or different processes on multi-processor system can dash improve the system performance. Which of the following functions frees the specified index number? TLS free. In thread local storage TLS arrangement, row represent dash while column, row represent करता है thread को, column represent करता है TLS index को. The value returned using TLS set value function is in the form of dash bool. In the form of failure, TLS log function का return करता है -1. If there are no thread priority time critical thread, the processor will run dash first thread priority normal, ठीक है. In Windows, most common processes have dashed priority class, normal priority class. Which of the following priority is the highest class in the thread? तो thread priority time critical. The range क्या होती है? Relative thread priorities is between -2 से +2 तक की रेंज होती है. Which of the following thread will run first? Thread will with thread priority above normal, ठीक है. The scheduler will run the dash priority dash thread when processor becomes available. तो फर्स्ट में आ जाएगा हाईएस्ट, नेक्स्ट में आ जाएगा रेडी. When a thread is suspended, it goes into dash suspended state. The scheduler will move a dash thread to the dash state if the thread's time slice expires without the thread waiting. So running or ready. A thread that is ready but don't have required resource will go into dash waiting state. The time period in sleep function is specified in dash milliseconds. Default stack size for a thread is dash 1 MB. The function switch to thread provides a way for a thread to yield its processor to another dash thread if there is one that is dash to run. तो दोनों में आएगा ready. The sleep function allows a thread to move from the dash to the dash state. Running, next में आ जाएगा wait. Fiber which is shared to different threads should not access thread specific data. Fibers are scheduled by the dash application. Fiber management occurs at the dash level, user space level. There are dash APIs to manage fibers. 7. A new fiber can be created by using dash create fiber. A fiber can obtain its identity by calling dash function get current fiber. A thread can enable fiber operation by calling dash function convert thread to fiber X. Control of a running fiber can be given to another fiber by using function switch to fiber. It must be ensured that dash thread many thread is not modifying dash data one data at same time एक time पर. The result of concurrent processing and normal processing dash may differ in some cases. In memory architecture and barriers before writing the values back to memory, the processor usually keeps them in dash cache. Dash are used to ensure that memory is accessed in the desired order. Memory barriers or memory fences. The dash functions provide memory barriers interlocked. Turning off dash may adversely affect the performance but sometimes may dash program to optimization or next में आ जाएगा slow. The volatile qualifier does not guarantee that the modifications will be visible to dash in desired ordered processors. Interlocked functions are dash to use, simple, faster and easy to use. If a variable with a volatile scope only needs to be incremented, decremented or exchanged, interlocked function are the dash choice best choice. Interlocked decrement takes a 32-bit signal variable as argument which should be placed in memory at the dash boundary 4-byte boundary. Dash have a performance disadvantage since they create a memory barrier interlocked functions. Interlocked increment 64 and interlocked decrement 64 can be utilized on 64-bit systems if the addend is placed at the dash boundary 8 byte. If we know the information in a variable will be used by other threads, we can make it dash global. According to the criteria of a good thread code, dash storage should not be used for the purpose of local storage to global. If a dash is used to store a thread specific data, other threads will also use it. Global variable. Make a variable dash if we know it includes thread specific information local. If any needed variables are not initialized, then create dash threads until variables are initialized. Suspended dash variables should not be accessible globally, though locally required. In thread safe code, dash conditions are avoided. Race. When more than one thread can run the same code without introducing synchronization issues, it is said to be dash thread safe. Thread should not change the dash environment, process environment. Dash variables should not be accessible globally, locally required. When using thread synchronization object, there are always inherent risks associated with them, such as dash dead dogs, mutexes, semaphores, events, and critical section are the four synchronization objects provided by dash windows. A thread waits for other threads to dash using the wait for single object or wait for multiple objects methods together terminate. The part of the code that can only be executed by one thread at a time is referred to as the dash critical section. A call to leave a critical section must match a dash enter critical section. Only dash can be in the critical section variable at a time. So one thread enter critical section can be called by a dash, but only one of them is allowed to enter the critical section while the others are blocked. Many threads critical section objects do not have dash handles. Critical section object is used to solve the dash problem. Synchronization. Critical section allows us to update shared variable by dash thread at a dash time at a time to one. ठीक है, one thread. When one thread enters into the critical section, then other threads can attempt to enter the critical section. Using the critical section construct is dash and initiative easy. For mutual exclusive to work, dash variables must be protected by a single object across all threads shared. Within the critical section, all the variables must be guarded by dash a single object. It would yield dash result to use different synchronization objects in the same thread or across numerous threads that protect shared data. Incorrect. Within the critical section, dash synchronization object must guard all the variable a single. A critical section object can protect one or more than one global variable in critical section. Producer consumer problem is a classical problem in dash mutual exclusion. In producer consumer thread model, a checksum is used to dash the contents produced by producer thread validate. In producer consumer thread model, the dash thread creates the data periodically and dash thread process और displays it. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट में आ जाएगा प्रोड्यूसर, नेक्स्ट में आएगा कंज्यूमर. It is required to pass dash parameter to initialize critical section function 1. The producer also computes a simple dash of the message in the producer consumer problem to check some mutexes also allow dash values timeout. A process or thread disowns a mutex by using a function called dash release mutex. Dash object can be used for inter-process communication between threads of different processes. Mutexes have some advantages beyond critical section. Mutexes can be named and have dash handles. Another technique that can be used to avoid deadlock is dash of mutexes and using wait for multiple objects with the fwait all flag to an array. Concurrency objects must be used dash carefully, otherwise it can lead to a deadlock situation. The number of parameters required to pass to wait for a single object function is dash 2. Mutexes and critical sections are similar in the sense that they are used to achieve the same goal. Dash that are abandoned due to the abrupt termination of a thread are automatically signaled so that waiting threads are not blocked permanently. So mutexes dash waits can time out whereas dash waits does not. So mutex wait can time out, critical section wait does not. Dash maintains account semaphore. Number of parameters required to pass to create a semaphore API is 4. ISM max must be 1 or greater, which is the dash maximum value of semaphore count. Semaphore is in unsignaled, unsignaled है तो क्या आएगा 0. ठीक है. Is SEM max must be 1 or greater, which is the dash value of semaphore count maximum. The return type of release semaphore API is bool. Classically, a semaphore count represents the number of available resources. Number of parameters required to pass to release semaphore API is dash 3. Next, the dash thread will call release semaphore with the count set to the number of threads boss. To avoid semaphore limitation, another solution one can suggest is the use of dash with an array holding multiple references to the same semaphore to wait for multiple objects. Number of parameters required to pass to wait for a multiple object API is 4. Dash classified as either manual reset or auto reset. तो events होता है वो. The function dash sets the specified event object to the signal state set event. A named event can be opened using open event from dash any process, and dash event signals a single waiting thread and the event is reset automatically. auto reset से होता है. Event property is set using create event. Dash a synchronization object like mutexes, semaphore and critical section that can be used for concurrency control to events. The combination of set event, pulse event, use of auto and manual events give use dash different event usage models. For an auto reset event can be conceptualized as a dash that automatically shuts when open door. ठीक है. Event can be implemented using different types of models. There can be dash 4 distinct ways to use events. If set event API is used in combination with manual reset event, then dash the currently waiting threads are released. So all the return type of set event API bool. Number of parameters required to pass the create event तो क्या आ जाएगा 4. Number of parameters required to pass to set event तो आ जाएगा 1. Which of the following segmentation objects do not use the wait construct or critical section? Which of the following segmentation construct is used for the semaphore to wait? Which of the following segmentation objects have no name critical section? Which one of the following is a correct statement for minimizing the concurrency related issues? Size of the critical region should be minimized. To minimize the concurrency related issues, the size of the critical region should be minimized. If timeout is not associated with the wait for a single object call, then the thread may dash block forever. Lengthy critical region code must be written using dash functions. The use of locks in programming or critical section can dash the performance decrease. Which one of the following is correct statement for minimizing the concurrency related issues? Size of the critical region should be minimized. We can increase the performance and minimize concurrency related issues by avoiding concurrent use of critical region. If timeout is not associated with the wait for a single object call, then the thread may dash block forever. To minimize the concurrency related issues, size of the critical region should be minimized. It is required to pass dash parameters to the interlocked compare exchange to 3. The return type of interlocked exchange function is dash long. It is required to pass dash parameters to the interlocked exchange to. Following interlock function stores one variable into another interlocked exchange. Synchronizing access to a thread shared variable is possible with the help of dash interlocked functions. Dash function is used to create a private heap object heap create. Following function is used to allocate a memory from heap to heap alloc. Following is one of the reasons that can impact the performance due to synchronization of resources to locking. In case of performance, the slowest synchronization construct is dash mutex. In order to align thread argument data structure properly on cache line boundaries and to reduce memory contention, we use following modifier: disk back align. How much the performance increases when we use interlocked functions in as compared to mutexes mx 2 times. In case of synchronization construct, it is encountered that dash have less overhead while the dash have more overhead. Interlocked function first mega next mega mutexes. To avoid any false sharing contention, we use the modifier dash did align. ठीक है, in a single processor system, the spin count is set to 0. Which of the following constructs work in a user space instead of performing system calls? Critical section. Leave critical section call will dash unset the lock bit. The thread will enter into the tight loop when lock bit is on. ठीक है, optimal spin count ensures less system calls. According to the MSDN, the optimal spin count for head related functions is dash 4000. An API that is used to initialize the spin count is initialize critical section and spin count. SRW works in dash mode, two modes. Which of the following statement is true in case of SRWs? Slim ready writer locks. SRWs do not support recursion. Following is appointed to SRW lock. PSRW lock. The return type of acquire SRW lock shared is dash void. In terms of real-time user time and system time consuming, which of the following synchronization constructs is almost 2 times faster than critical section SRWs? Which of the following is an example of parallelization framework? OpenMP. Which of the following is a useful technique for addressing the problem of multiple threads in Windows? Sorting the number of threads. What is the default stack size? क्या होता है thread का? 1 MB. Why is it difficult to mutex user created worker threads in Windows? तो उसमें आ जाएगा all of these, ये सारे तीनों ऑप्शन इसमें आएंगे, ठीक है. What is the advantage of using NT6 thread pools? They submit callback function to thread pool for execution by the kernel. What does each worker thread do in a semaphore throttle solution? Releases the mutex after leaving the critical code section. What is the maximum count of a semaphore in a semaphore throttle solution? It is set at create time and cannot be changed. What is the purpose of a semaphore throttle in a multi-threaded application? To minimize the number of active contending threads. Can a semaphore throttle be added to an existing application program quickly? Yes, it can be added quickly and easily. Purpose of a thread pool: to manage a small number of worker threads. How does a worker thread execute a work object? By calling the callback function with the work object's parameter. How does Windows adjust the number of worker threads? It can adjust the number of based on application behavior. Can applications create additional thread pools? Yes, but they will all contend for the same processor resources. What happens when a work object completes? The worker thread executes and the work object. Which of the following is the return type of create thread pool work? So PTP work. Which of the following is a thread pool work object creation function? Create thread pool work. Which of the following is the callback function? PFNWK. Which of the following is the return type of submit thread pool work function? तो क्या होता है void. Next, which of the following Windows API posts a work object to the thread pool? Submit thread pool work. SRW logs in the thread pool example are used to impose dash. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा both, ठीक है, दोनों आ जाएंगे, इनके सिंक्रोनाइजेशन और म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन. Dash is the return type of a try submit thread pool, जो आता है bool. What parameter specifies the callback function in try submit? तो PFNS. Which type of callback function is used in try submit thread pool callback? तो PTP simple callback. Which of the following is an alternative to the create thread pool work, submit thread pool work and close? तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा try submit thread pool callback. When create thread pool work is called, then dash is executed using the process thread pool to callback functions. Next, when you use create thread pool work, submit thread pool work and try submit thread pool callback, the callback functions are all executed using the dash thread pool process. Next, what is the purpose of creating additional thread pools? None of these. Which functions are used to execute callback functions using the process thread pool? तो उसमें आ जाता है create thread pool, submit thread pool and try submit thread pool callback. We can create additional thread pools of a process by dash function create thread pool. What should be done before creating additional thread pools? Test carefully to see if it provides any benefit or if it degrades performance. Which function can be used to create additional thread pools? To create thread pool, a dash is a collection of worker threads that execute asynchronous callbacks on behalf of the application. To thread pool, create thread pool work associates a work callback function with the dash structure TP work. What does create thread pool timer specify? A callback function to execute after the time interval and possibly periodically after that. What does create thread pool specify? A callback function to execute when an overlapped input output operation completes on a handle. What does create thread pool wait specify? A callback function to execute when an object specified by set thread pool wait is signaled. Mutex's locking performance can be marginally optimized if we use it in conjunction with dash semaphore throttling. Which synchronization construct gives the best locking performance? So interlocked functions. The locking performance of SRW locks dash when used with conventional thread management to degrades. Which locking mechanism could improve the performance to both shared and exclusive locking? One of the earlier processors made by Intel has a clock speed of dash 377 MHz. Which of the following examples shows a simplistic use of the divide and conquer strategy sort empty? All of the following exploit the potential of a multi-core processor except single-threaded program. What is the purpose of creating a new thread for every recursive function call? To decrease program duration. For a system programmer, learning dash is necessary to use the full potential of current multi-core hardware parallel programming skills. Which programming techniques are important for exploiting finer grained program parallelism, recursion, and divide and conquer techniques? What is the potential limitation of using the NT6 thread pool API? It is limited to a specific kernel. What can enhance performance when implementing parallelism using thread pools? The most widely accepted approach to implement parallel programming is parallelism frameworks. What is one disadvantage of using DIY for implementing parallelism? It can become complex and error prone. When is DIY manageable and effective? For programs with a simple parallel structure, dash approach to implement parallelism is useful and effective in smaller programs with similar simple parallel structures. To do it yourself in DIY. In dash parallelism, the control flow divides into multiple flows that join later at the end of execution. तो क्या आता है fork join. What types of applications are Fortran programming languages are typically used for dash scientific and engineering applications? Which development environments support OpenMP? Numerous compilers and development environments. What is P? An open source, portable, and scalable parallelism framework. Which programming languages are almost always supported by parallelism framework? C and C++, Open C Hash and Java and Fortran. रेस डिटेक्शन क्या होती है? प्रोसेस फॉर डिटेक्टिंग एरर्स इन पैरेलल कोड. What is the issue with global variables in multi-threaded applications? They can cause races if independent subtasks modify global variables. Why might identifying independent subtasks be difficult? Legacy applications may have been developed with no thought toward parallelism and threading. What can happen if there are too many subtasks? The performance can degrade. What are some of the performance issues that can arise in multi-threaded application? तो all of these आ जाएगा इसमें, ठीक है. What are some of the challenges to successful implementation of a multi-threaded application? Too much locking can degrade performance. While implementing parallelism, identifying parallel subtasks dash not straightforward activity. What is the downside of dedicating a process to a small set of threads? Windows may still schedule its own threads on that processor. Dash can be used to assign a thread to a specific processor to processor affinity, which situation is not suitable for using processor affinity when all processors are available to all threads. By default, the dash makes scheduling decisions and allocates processors to each thread to the kernel. What is the assumed approach for scheduling threads in a multiprocessor system? The kernel making scheduling decisions. What is the default value of a process affinity mask? The same as the system mask. Dash is the return type of set thread affinity mask API. Default PTR. Dash is the return type of get process affinity to the bool. Which of the following Windows API receives the affinity mask for the system to get process affinity mask? Dash pipes are full duplex message oriented and allow network wide communication का named. Which of the following is well suited for redirecting the output of one program to the input of another to anonymous pipe? Usually a file like object called dash can be used for inter-process communication pipe. Dash a mechanism that allows processes to pass information to each other. Inter-process communication. Dash make named pipes appropriate for creating client-server systems. Oriented named pipe. Dash pipes are character-based, half duplex, and allow byte-based IPC. Anonymous. Create pipe function has dash parameter 4. Which of the following is the return type of create pipe? दिखाते हैं bool. Suppose the parent process wants to write output which the child will read. In this case, the parent will have to pass the dash handle to the child process to hash star in the hash ph read static ph read. Which type of communication channel would benefit from using named pipes bidirectional message oriented? Named pipes are dash bidirectional होते हैं ये. There are dash multiple independent instances of named pipes with the same name. तो कहता है can two processes exchange messages over the same named pipe? Yes, two processes can exchange messages over the same named pipes. Which of the following is a feature of named pipes? They can be accessed by networked clients. What is the benefit of using named pipes over anonymous pipes? Named pipes allow for bidirectional communication. Dash function creates an instance of the named pipe and returns a handle. Create named pipe. Which of the following API creates an instance of a named pipe and returns a handle? To create named pipe. Which of the following is the correct form of IP? Name parameter of create named pipe to / dot / pipe name. The dash parameter of create named pipe function indicates whether writing is message oriented or byte oriented to DW pipe mode. Which of the following parameters of create named pipe function indicates whether the writing is message oriented or byte oriented to DW pipe mode? जी नेक्स्ट नंबर 361. Which of the following modes will be used to flow the data in the pipe from client to server? Only any pipe access inbound. Which of the following is the correct naming convention for the client and server when they are on the different machines and named pipes / server name pipe / pipe name? Which of the following is the correct naming convention for the client and server when they are on the same machine in named pipes to / dot / pipe / और आगे path? In named pipe connection, which of the following functions returns the information whether the pipe is in blocking or unblocking mode to get named pipe handle state? In the named pipe connection, which of the following functions get information regarding client session ID to get named pipe client session ID? In named pipe connection, which of the following functions determine where the handle is for client or a server? Get named pipe info. In named pipe client connection, the client connects to the named pipe using dash function to create file pipe name. In the named pipe connection, which of the following function get information regarding server process ID? Get named pipe server process ID. Which of the following is a parameter of connect named pipe API to h named pipe? Which of the following is the return type of connect named pipe to bool? Which of the following is a feature of connect named pipe API enables a named pipe server process to wait for a client process? Connect named pipe API has dash parameter 2 parameter in the named pipe connection the client communicates with the server using the dash function read file, close file, create file. In a named pipe connection, the client can wait for the server connection using the dash function wait named pipe. In a named pipe connection, the server can wait for the client connection using the dash function connect named pipe. तो यहाँ तक हमारे पास जो है 375 जो है MCQs थे सारे, जितने भी जो है फाइनल टर्म के यानी कि लेक्चर थे, यानी कि वीक नंबर 7 से लेकर 15 तक, उनमें जितने भी हमारे पास यहाँ पे टेस्ट होते थे इस वाले में ना, ये यहाँ पे हमारे पास जितने भी इस सबक में यानी क्विज़ होते थे, ये सारे जो है वीक नंबर 7 से लेकर वीक नंबर 15 तक के 16 तक के सारे जो है इसमें मैंने यानी ये जितने भी एमसीक्यूज़ बताए ये सारे इसमें शामिल कर दिए। ठीक है, तो उम्मीद है वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी, बहुत बड़ी वीडियो होगी है, तो उम्मीद है वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी। और लाजमी आपने यहाँ से ये प्लेलिस्ट भी आपने लाजमी देखनी है, ये वाली, इसमें सारे यानी सबक मैंने पढ़ा दिए। ठीक है, ओके, इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलेंगे आपके साथ। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू।